Welcome to TJInspires. This video is about my niece Demi. Welcome Demi to YouTube. She really wants a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna be showcasing her a little bit on my YouTube channel. That is my niece. We've been on some adventures. So this is her in Disney, Animal Kingdom. We went to Legoland. She loves vacation. She loves to travel. So she always often wants to go on a vacation.
Your name?
Demi.
Who are you?
Demi.
Demi what?
Demi sister.
And how old are you?
2.
How old are you?
2.
You're not 2, you're 3. So today is part 2 of burying my dad. So I have Demi over here. They had no school today. And what did Auntie get you today?
Cupcake!
No, we didn't have no cupcakes. We had what? It was pink.
Donut!
What was it? Sprinkles.
Yeah!
Was it your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So here we go. Say see you later.
See you later.
All right, it's Wednesday, Book Wednesday, and guess what? I have the book of the month, Dream the Impossible, Little Girls Who Dream Become Women with Vision by me. Make sure you go online to www.TJInspires.com. It's available on Amazon. You go directly to my website to get the book. Dream the Impossible is a book of the month, and March is reading month. So get the book, Dream the Impossible. Yeah, there you see it. Yes, if you don't have this in your catalog, go ahead and get it.